Assalamu alaikum. I am Memdi Niamul, a conversion tracking specialist. Is your meta audience significantly smaller than your Shopify traffic? This is a common and frustrating problem. If your 180-day visitor audience isn't matching your real traffic, your scaling is at risk. Today I will show you how we audit and fix these discrepancies using a technical data-driven approach. We start with diagnostics. We aren't just rebuilding GTM, we are looking for the root cause of why signals are missing. Are your event IDs consistent? If deduplication fails, Meta might be undercounting your real customers. We also audit for hidden duplicate pixels or legacy gateway remnants that confuse the Meta algorithm. My process follows 3 clear milestones to ensure total data precision for your business. Phase 1 is the audit and tracking map. We document every signal path from your Shopify store to the Meta server. Phase 2 is implementation. We fix routing issues, optimize parameters, and ensure your CAPI via Stape is healthy. Finally, we perform a deep QA. I provide a professional playbook so you understand exactly how your data flows. Our goal is 99% data accuracy. We bypass ITP and iOS restrictions to capture the signals your competitors are losing. Don't stay in the primitive era of tracking. Move to a modern solution that engineers data precision for 2026. We optimize every parameter to ensure high event match quality. This directly improves your attribution and reporting. When your audiences are populated correctly, your retargeting works better and your ROAS increases. With over 5 years of experience and 600 5-star reviews, I turn messy data into actionable insights. Whether it is GTM, Stape.io or complex CAPI routing, I have the expertise to diagnose the most difficult issues. Stop guessing and start measuring. Let's fix your audience underpopulation issues once and for all. If you need this kind of professional help, please message me on WhatsApp right now. You can also book a consultation directly at mdniamul.com. I am ready to audit your setup today. I have mentioned all my contact information and booking links in the video description box and pinned comment. Remember, we seek diagnosis first, no generic rebuilds, just pure technical solutions for your business success. Measure, optimize, scale. I engineer data precision so you can grow your brand with confidence. Thank you for watching. Alhamdulillah, I look forward to helping you. Assalamu alaikum.